Good morning, folks. This is Jacob Folger, artist sculptor, and today we're going to make these kissing frogs. And we'll be working in polymer clay, and we'll have a few basic tools, and it's going to be really a pretty easy project. I take you through the whole thing step by step, and we also will do this beautiful finish on it, on the piece. And yeah, it's a really fun, cute piece to make. So yeah, if you could please give the video a like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so you'll get a notification when I upload again. And let's get started. Okay, so we're going to be working in Sculpey 3 polymer clay. Use the color black because I like how the finishes look on it. I'm starting off with a shape like this for the frog to sit on. We'll set that aside. And now we'll start to make the first frog. I try to get the face as smooth as possible before I start doing the eyes. And I can rub it with my thumb. I can use a paintbrush with a little bit of water on it for smooth. I want to get this all very smooth before I start the eyes. Now make another frog face and shape like that one. Okay, so we got the two frogs on here. Now, I want to get this one, maybe sealing a kiss. Um, Put its lips up like that. Press them in there like that. Like that. Yeah, I think that will be pretty cute. And then we'll take a piece of clay and an arm on the one frog, maybe a little bit longer. Bring it on around. Try to pull her closer, or him, or whatever. Yeah. Something like that. And then we'll blend all that together carefully. Okay, so now you want to, smooth. You can use a little bit of water and just take your time and smooth it. You can also use alcohol and you can also use turpentine, but I definitely recommend cutting it with water so that it doesn't really cut into the clay. For small pieces like this. You gotta watch out for that. The water won't hurt it though, so the water would be the safest bet. And just take your time and smooth it out, and then we'll come back. Okay, I'm taking the ball tool and doing a nice little soft texture on the stone that they're sitting on just by kind of doing swirls with the sculpting tool, because when I do the finish, you'll see it's actually quite beautiful when you have a little bit of texture. Just going over it like this. And we'll start to finish in just a minute. Okay, I'm going to be using Pearl X Pigments and Antique Bronze and Spring Green. There'll be a tool and supply list in the video description that has everything that we'll be using today, okay? I'm going to get a little bit of water on my brush and dab off most of the excess of it. The water just kind of helps the color go on a little bit better. And just apply it with the brush. I clean my brush with soap and water so that the green doesn't get into the bronze. A little bit of bronze, dab it on the table, and gently go over the rock. Well, that's about it, folks. I hope you enjoyed this project and this tutorial and found it useful. Sometimes people ask me about the finish, if it will hold up, and yes, it will. Once you bake the sculpture, the finish will be baked into the surface, and it will glisten in the light forever. It's a wonderful thing, really. It's a wonderful thing. Baking instructions for Sculpey 3, as well as the tool and supply list, will be in the video description down below the video. And that's about it. So if you could, please give the video a like, share it with your friends and family, leave me a comment, a question, and I will reply, and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you get a notification when I upload. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.